Hello students, welcome back to Happy Learning. Today we are discussing exercise 2.2 from chapter Polynomial, the last and final question. So let us start the question. Okay. Fourth question, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. So the first question, polynomial they given p of x equal to x plus 5. For this polynomials, what we have to find out? Zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial we have to find out. Last day we seen how to find out the zero of the polynomial. So let us start. First itself, the polynomial we have to write. Whatever the polynomial is given, that polynomial we have to write and we have to equate that with 0 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of a simple equation we have to solve. X equal to 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5, the answer is negative 5. So for this polynomial, what is the zero of the polynomial? Negative 5. Okay, we know when we are substituting, we will do the checking method also. If we are substituting this here, so we will get negative 5 plus 5, answer is, the result is 0, no? So definitely this is the zero of the polynomial. Very simple question. Then everything it is we have to do like this way. I hope you understand this solution. Okay, so we can move to the next question. So question number 2 here, p of x equal to x minus 5. Okay, so the first step, what is the polynomial that we have to write? Equate to 0 and find the value of x. X equal to 0 plus 5, because this minus 5 on the other side of the equality sign will change, so plus 5. 0 plus 5, any number if we are adding or subtracting along with 0, the number itself is the answer. So x is equal to positive. So x minus 5, for that polynomial, what is the zero of the polynomial? That is positive 5. Positive 5 and negative 5, result is 0. Now move on to the third question. P of x equal to 2x plus 5. So the polynomial is 2x plus 5. Now how to do this? Let us check. First, what is the first step? What is the polynomial given? That we have to write. So we return. Now what is the next step? Equate to 0. So equal to 0. Now the simple equation we have to solve. First, this 5 we have to take to the that side. Okay. So 2x equal to negative 5. Therefore, x equal to negative 5 by 2. Because this 2, it is here in multiplication. On the other side, it become division. Okay, so by 2. So for this polynomial 2x plus 5, what is the zero of the polynomial? Negative 5 by 2. So this is the answer. Now this answer is correct. These two, it is very simple polynomial. So when we are just keeping this in our mind, then itself we will get the answer. But here this is yes or no. That means this is correct or no. We can check this. Okay, actually this is the answer. But for your clarity, I am just showing the checking method. See, 2x plus 5, x value it is negative 5 by 2, so that what we are substituting, negative 5 by 2 plus 5. This 2 and this 2 cancel, positive 5 and negative 5 become 0, so definitely negative 5 by 2 is the zero of this given polynomial. So these are the first 3 questions. Now we will do the next questions. Okay, now fourth question, p of x equal to 3x minus 2. So let us start. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x equal to, we are shifting to negative 2 to the other side. So that means positive 2. Now therefore, x equal to 2 by 3. So for this polynomial, that means 3x minus 2, which is the zero of the polynomial, 2 by 3 is the zero of the polynomial. So simple. This set of questions so simple. We can find the answer very fast. Next one, question number 5. P of x equal to 3x. So 3x we return, equating with 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is already here. this 3 have to go to that side. So here it is in multiplication, on the other side it become in division, that means denominator. And we know any number, that means 0, if we are dividing by any number, the resulting answer it is 0. There is a difference. See, 0 by 3, the answer is 0, but 3 by 0, answer is not 0. Okay, both are different, because this is what undefined. This is undefined. Okay, infinity. Here 0 by 3. 0 if we are dividing, the digit 0 if we are dividing with any number, the result answer is confirmed. What is the answer? 0 is the answer. So here we can say the answer 0. So 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, so that is the answer for the 5th question. Now move on to the 6th one. Here the polynomial is ax. So ax equal to 0. Here a also the variable, x also the variable. So but we need the value for x. So x have to keep here and we have to shift a to the other side. So x equal to 0 by a. In this case also answer is 0. So 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. We just do the checking method. A into 0, so completely it becomes 0, no? So that why 0 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now last and final question from that exercise, question number 7. P of x equal to cx plus d, and they given the condition c not equal to 0, because if we are taking c as 0, this term completely 0, no? So that why the condition they given. Then c and d, that means these are the numbers have to come. This is the variable. So c and d, they can any real numbers. Okay, so that is the conditions they given. We have to take the polynomial and usual way itself we have to do. Okay, so cx plus d equal to 0. Then cx, first which term have to go to that side, d have to go to that side, because here is the variable, x is here. So this we are taking last only. First have to go that side, d. So cx equal to negative d, because here it is positive, plus d, no? So on the other side minus d. Now x alone, x is equal to negative d by c. Okay, so this is the 0 of the polynomial. Here everything it is letter. So it is correct or not, we can check. We can do the checking method like this way. See, it is not necessary. Okay, question it is what we have to find out the 0 of the polynomial. This is enough. Okay, we can do the checking in our mind. That's what teacher is just showing to you. Cx plus d equal to 0. C into negative d by c plus d equal to 0. C and c cancel. Negative d and positive d become 0. So definitely this is the 0 of the polynomial. So our answer is that much only. We have to say this is the 0 of the polynomial. So successfully we finish the exercise 2.2, all the questions. Okay, so for today's class we are winding. Okay, thank you.